I'm sorry I haven't put anything out regularly. I've been going through a lot of stuff recently. So, anyway, just getting up. It's like 9:30, 10 o'clock. Rachel went to this tea thing with church. So, she'll be back here in a little while. And then today, we are going to Young's Dairy out in Xenia, Ohio, near Yellow Springs. It's one of my favorite places from my childhood, and I try to go at least once a year, usually in the summer. So hang around for that. Okay, so I have taken a shower. My hair is a wreck. I need to go fix it. Still waiting for Rachel to get back. She should be back here soon, hopefully. I fed the dogs and then I chased Rosie and River around because they got out of our side gate. A friend of ours went out of it yesterday and Rosie saw him go out it, so now she knows she can push it open and get out. So now I have to figure out how to rig that so she can't push through it, because over time the wood has shrunk and expanded and stuff like that in places, and now the gate doesn't latch. So we have to fix that. Oh, he moved. But I had two sleepy babies. River. Hi. Hi, sleepy boy. Got a Luna and her tail's going crazy. Are you sleeping? No? What are you doing? You want to go work today? Oh, I'm gonna scratch. No, I woke everybody up. So with the change in seasons starting to happen, I've been sitting out here like that, clearing my throat, and just all around feeling stuffy and stuff, despite having taken Zyrtec and my nasal spray. So I thought, okay, maybe we should put the mask on just for today. It's windy too, so anything could be carrying with the wind. We are sitting here on the front porch ready to go, waiting for Rachel, and then we shall be off. Luna, you ready to go? Ready? Yeah, you ready? Feels good out there. We are on our way finally. So as long as traffic isn't too bad, but it's Saturday, so it's probably going to be terrible. Also, this place is probably going to be super busy, and there's going to be a lot of kids, and it's going to be like, oh my god, there's a dog. So I hope I can deal with it and not lose my temper. But I should be fine. I'm just glad that we're going, and I love it there. So shouldn't be an issue. Hater juice.
How critical is this issue of God's time? A later biblical
Totally should not be drinking this, but
understood is crucial.
I don't care. Tis needed. Ow. Look at that. For ice cream. It's really good ice cream though. But this is insane. I'm half tempted to say let's wait on the ice cream and go into town and hang out in town because they don't close until like 10 o'clock tonight. So we could wait a while and it'll probably thin out. Or maybe we'll just get out and walk around for a little while. Hi, what do you think? Yeah?
I think we should stay.
Outside because there's a lot of people in there and I just couldn't handle it in there. So Luna and I came outside and we're waiting out here for Rachel to bring hopefully a sundae and some cheese curds.
Chocolate chip.
Yum.
Not favorite.
Hopefully you guys can hear me in here. We're waiting on food too. Food is underneath the bench I'm sitting on. See her through here maybe. See her down there. And food. Cheese curds. real appetite. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's amazing right there.
Books.